everyone, I am Rana. I hope you checked out and liked my previous videos on drawing with alphabets. Today we will start with numbers. So let's start. For this you don't need any special materials. Like always, you only need paper or book, pencil, sketch pen, brush, paint, any materials which you have. So let's start. The first number is 1. To write a 1, we will make a standing line. Then on the top, we will make a small slanting line. And at the bottom, a sleeping line. This is a 1. Now, with this 1, we will make a candle. So, from this point, the bottom of the slanting line, we will make a standing line and connect it with the sleeping line. Now we will show that the candle is burning. So for the fire, we will make a curve and another curve. It should look like a raindrop shape. Now the candle is made of wax. So if the fire is burning, it will melt. So we will show small curves like this to represent a melted wax. This is our candle. The next number is 2. To write it 2, we will make a curve and the sleeping line at the bottom of the curve. This is the number 2. With this 2, we will make a duck. So, at this point of the curve, we will make another curve. And from the end of this extended curve, we will make another curve parallel to this curve of the 2. Then, we will make a C-like structure and join it to the sleeping line of the 2. Now for the wing, we will make another C like this. For the beak, we will make 2 slanting lines like this. For the eyes, a dot, and the duck is swimming in the water, so we will make wavy line. For the water, this is the duck. Now let's move on to number 3. For making the 3, we will make 2 C's. Opposite C's like this. With this C, we will make a bird. So we will start from here and connect these curves. For the beak of the bird, we will make a curve, another curve, and another curve. This is the beak. For the eyes, a circle, another circle, and fill it. For the wing, we will make a curve and zigzag line. For the tail, 2 joint slanting lines. For the leg, simple curve. Now this bird is sitting, so we will make a branch like this. This is the bird. Let's move on to the next number, which is 4. To make a 4, make a slanting line moving downwards, a sleeping line at the bottom. From a little above, make a standing line which is joining to the sleeping line. This is the 4. With this 4, we will make a kite. So we will extend this standing line and extend the slanting line. While extending these both, we will connect them together. The first time we will extend the standing line on the top. The next time we will extend the standing line at the bottom. Now from this point, we will make another slanting line connecting to the bottom. We will extend the sleeping line. From the top, connect a slanting line. And from the middle again, connect a slanting line to the bottom. This is the body of the kite. For the tail, we will make two slanting lines of the same size and connect them using a sleeping line. Now we can make the kite a little decorative. So, we will make a design. A small C, big C, and an incomplete circle. Now, the kite has a string attached to it so that we can fly it. So, we will make the string. From the middle, we will connect a wavy line. This is the string. Let's move on to the next number, which is 5. To make a 5, we will make sleeping line, standing line, and an opposite C. With this, we will make a hen. So, for the beak, we will start from this point of the sleeping line and connect it to the starting of the curve. Then, we will extend this standing line, make a curve, connect a slanting line, then make some wavy zigzag lines like this. Extend the standing line downwards and connect with a curve. This is the body. This is the tail. Now to complete the beak, we will make another slanting line. For the wing, we will make zigzag line, a curve, and again a few zigzag lines. Now, for the eyes, we will make a circle, make a curved line and fill the area like this. Then inside this curve, we will make another curve. The shape over here should be like a moon. Then on the head, we will add a curve like this. Now we can show that the hen is sitting on hay. So, we will make curves like this. Now to show that the chicken is sitting, we will make the legs. This is the chicken. Now, let's move to the next number, which is 6. To write a 6, make a C and then connect a curve. This is the number 6. With this 6, we will make a squirrel. So, we will start with the ear. We will make an upside down U like this. Then, from a little above the bottom, we will make a curve and another curve. A slanting line at the bottom, 2 sweeping lines and curve. This is the hand of the squirrel. Now, to complete the body, we will make a curvy slanting line like this. Now the squirrel has texture on its back. So to represent that, we will make 2 curvy lines like this on top of the curve of the 6. Now this area of the 6 represents the leg. So to complete the leg, we will make a curve and 2 small curves for the leg. Now the squirrel also has tail. So we will make curve and connect a slanting line like this. This is the tail. To represent the ear of the squirrel which is at the back, we will make a curve from behind the upside down U. For the eyes, we will make a dot. This is the squirrel. Now, let's move on to 7. To make a 7, we will make a sleeping line, and from the right side of the sleeping line, we will connect a slanting line. With this 7, we will make a yacht. So, for the sail of the yacht, we will make a curve from the left side of the sleeping line. Then, we will make a standing line. Make a small sleeping line and connect it with a standing line which is parallel to the other standing line. This is the rod that supports or holds the sail. Now for the body of the yacht, we will make a curve and join 2 slanting lines. Now the yacht is sailing in the sea. So we will make a wavy line and another wavy line. Now we can add design to the boat. So in the body, we will make 2 parallel curves and fill it. We can also add design to the sail. For that, we will make 2 parallel slanting lines and fill them. This is a yacht. Now, we will move on to number 8. To make an 8, we will make a circle and then an incomplete circle which is bigger than this circle. This is the number 8. With this 8, we will make a teddy bear. So, for the ears, we will make 2 upside down U's and slanting line for the ear. Now, for the face, we will make 2 circles, mark some area and fill the other area like this. This will be the eye. Now for the nose and smile, we will make an upside down triangle and 2 curves connecting from the bottom corner. This is the face of the teddy bear. Now for the body, we will make a heart in the incomplete circle. For the 2 hands, we will make upside down U's, and in this part of the U, we will add circles. We will do the same thing for the legs. Like this, and 2 circles on the curve. This is the teddy bear. Now we will make the 9. To make the 9, we will make a C, and from the top of the C we will connect a curve. With the 9 we are making a peacock. So from this part of the C which we have made, we will connect a curve. Then from this part, we will make another curve and extend this curve and connect it with the other curve. This is the body of the peacock. For the wings, we will make a curve and zigzag. For the beak, 2 slanting lines. For the eye, a circle and another circle. Now the peacock has a few feathers on the head. For that, we will make 2 slanting lines, and in the middle of both the slanting lines, we will make a standing line. On the top of all the lines, we will make small circles or balls. Like this. Now for the tail, we will make a curve and another curve. This area should be a little broader than this area. And then we will connect these with another curvy sleeping line. Now for the feather of the tail, we will make raindrop shapes like this. And in middle of all the raindrop shapes, we will make a smaller raindrop shape and fill it. Like this. Now for the legs, we will make a curve, zigzag line and a slanting line. Now that the peacock is not flying, it needs to sit somewhere. So we will make the branch, a slanting line and another parallel slanting line. Now we will complete the legs. So we will make a curve and just a slanting line because this leg is behind. Now comes the last number, the 0. 0 is very easy to make. It is just like the O. We will just make a circle. Now with this O, a 0, we will make bat and ball. The 0 will be the ball. So we will add a curve in the middle. This is the design of the ball. Now we will make the bat. For that, we will make a small oval, 2 standing lines connecting from both the sides, slanting at the bottom of both the standing lines. Then we will make small sleeping line extending from these points. Again, we will make 2 parallel standing lines and connect them both with a sleeping line. Then from this point, we will make another standing line. And to show the bottom design of the bat, we will make 2 slanting lines like this. It is an opposite V. The V is like this. So this is the opposite V. It is reversed. So this is the bat. I hope you understood how to make drawings with all the numbers. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, press the like icon below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, click the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for latest notifications. Have a good day. Bye. See you again.